How to change contact name on WhatsApp. Changing contact name on WhatsApp is very simple. If you have the number saved on your phone, then you can simply go to the Contacts app on your device and change the name, and that will automatically change the name on WhatsApp. Firstly, open WhatsApp app on your device. Go through your WhatsApp contacts and click on the one for which you would like to change the name. Click on their name at the top and you will land to this interface. Here at the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. Now select Edit. Here you will see their first name and last name. You can rename them with anything you want. You can also save their contact with nicknames. Once you are done renaming, click on Save at the bottom. Once you have saved the rename, now their name will be shown just like that in your WhatsApp app. So this is how you can successfully change contact's name on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.